Hi, beloved friends. Today, I want to talk about something that sounds a little intense: dark force energy. Most people hear that phrase and imagine something out of a horror movie: evil spirits, demons, something spooky and terrifying. But in my experience, doing soul protection work, that's not actually what it is. So if topics like this interest you, I'd love for you to like, subscribe, or share this video so more people can understand what dark force energy truly is without fear. When we talk about dark force energy, what we're really describing is a low frequency state of consciousness, energy that's heavy, dense, or disconnected from divine alignment. It's not bad in the moral sense, it's simply energy vibrating at a low frequency. So think of it this way: light vibrates at a high frequency: love, truth, compassion, peace. When energy falls away from that through fear, control, addiction, it begins to move more slowly. It gets sticky. So that's what creates the feeling of darkness or heaviness. It's not some external monster, it's energy out of alignment with the light. And that's really important to understand, because if you approach this work from fear, you actually feed the very frequency you're trying to clear. If, however, you approach it through divine authority, through love, alignment, and clarity, the lower frequencies can't remain. In soul protection, with the help of your angelic team and the archangels, what is not in alignment with your highest and best is removed. In soul protection, we don't fight darkness. We restore rightful order. We command through divine partnership that all energy return to its correct place and vibration. There's no drama, there's no fear, just restoration through love. And here's the beautiful part: every time you choose peace instead of panic, every time you align with truth instead of fear, you're doing that same clearing for yourself. We are becoming living agents of love when we are in that place of love and clarity and peace. So, the next time you hear the term dark force energy, take a breath. Remember, it's not about spooky stuff. It's about frequency. If this information resonates with you, I'd love for you to like, subscribe, or share this message. And if you're curious about soul protection or energy soul restoration, you can learn more at my website, drthaedafranz.com. You can also put any questions you have down in the comments, any questions you have about the work I do, or about soul protection, or about dark force energy. I would love to hear from you. Grace and peace.